Tried everything to fix Premiere Pro auto caption. In today's video I will tell you how to fix Premiere Pro's auto caption literally for free. So as you can see, I'm on my Premiere Pro. I have a footage. From here you can just click on the three dots and you can hit on generate static transcript. For you, for some reason, if it is not working for you, from here you can see as this language packages has not been installed, where it says Russian, Italian, Korean and everything. So if it is not installed, it is not going to work, and this is the problem that everyone is facing. So in order to get these audio and the language packages, what you need to do is you need to come here to the Microsoft Store or the App Store, whatever you have. From here you need to search Adobe Creative Cloud. Okay, so you need to install the app, and it is going to take some time. Okay, from once you have installed it, you need to open it, and the interface will look something like this. From here you need to sign up with your account and everything, and if you are not able to see any of the options that I am showing, just let the app update and it is going to show you everything properly. From here we need to search for Premiere Pro. From here come to the app section, and from here click onto the three dots, and from here it is going to, we are going for the get add-ons option. Hit on the get add-ons option, and from here as you can see, we need the language package. Whatever you need, just from here hit on add. So for me it was English and it was Hindi, and if you have any other language like Russian, Dutch or anything, simply hit on add and it is going to install. And once you do that, hit on done and close the window. From here come back to the Premiere Pro, and if you have installed everything properly, just close your Premiere Pro once and open it again. And if everything is done properly, once you click onto the three dots, and from here you can hit on generate static transcript, and from here you need to select the language what you are looking for. So for me it is going to be English, and it is going to be, I think so, on the top. So let's hit on English and hit transcript, and just wait for a few seconds and it is going to do the magic. Boom, and it's done. And sometime you might see some typos and errors, so you need to check in them manually and change them according to you. And once this is generated, from here you can hit on captions and create captions from the transcript. From here you just need to bring down everything, and from here select single and create captions. Now wait for a second and you can see these orange lines, right? These are the captions. And if everything is okay, just select all, and from here click on graphics and titles, and from here you can simply upgrade to captions. Now what does this do? From here, if you want to add any kind of effects or anything, you can simply add. So let me show you how to add certain effects.
This is the cleanest
properly. So let's say I come back here, I go to the effects, and in my preset I have certain presets that I'm going to be using. So hit on the preset, I have this smooth text animation. I will just select that.
This is the cleanest editing style.
So this is it for today's tutorial. If you like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye.